Did you know that changes in your penis could actually be early warning signs of bigger health problems like diabetes, heart disease, or even nerve damage? Yes, what many men dismiss as just getting older could in fact be your body's way of asking for help. And the truth is, the sooner you notice these signs, the better chance you have to stay healthy, strong, and confident for years to come. So let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed a change in your erections, sensitivity, or appearance and wondered if it was normal or something you should take seriously? Share your thoughts in the comments, because your experience could help another man feel less alone. Part 1 begins with awareness. I always remind my patients that your penis is like a health report card. It reflects the condition of your blood vessels, your hormones, and even your emotional well-being. One of the first warning signs older men report is difficulty getting or maintaining an erection. While this is common, it's not something to brush off. Erectile dysfunction often points to restricted blood flow, which could signal heart disease or high blood pressure. Another sign is a noticeable decrease in sensitivity or pleasure. If you find that stimulation doesn't feel the same, it could be linked to nerve issues, sometimes connected to diabetes or prolonged alcohol use. Instead of ignoring it, see it as a signal to get your blood sugar levels checked and to pay closer attention to lifestyle habits. Sometimes simple steps like walking more, limiting alcohol, and eating healthier foods can improve nerve function. Changes in appearance also matter. If you see unusual lumps, sores, or persistent redness, that deserves medical attention right away. These symptoms could stem from infections, skin conditions, or in rare cases, even early cancer. It's always better to have a doctor look than to live in silence with worry. Ask yourself, when was the last time you checked your body carefully? Part 2 is all about taking proactive steps. One practical tip I give is to treat your penis health the same way you treat your heart. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and quitting smoking all directly support blood circulation, which is vital for erections and sensitivity. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking daily can boost blood flow and testosterone, which helps maintain function. Hydration is another overlooked factor. Men often underestimate how dehydration affects energy, libido, and erectile function. Drinking enough water improves circulation, skin elasticity, and stamina. Something as simple as keeping a water bottle nearby can make a bigger difference than you think. Let's talk hormones. Testosterone naturally declines with age, but fatigue, low libido, or depression can sometimes be linked to more than normal aging. If you notice these changes alongside erectile issues, it may be worth getting your hormone levels checked. A doctor can guide you through safe options without relying on risky supplements marketed online. Sleep is also powerful medicine. Poor or interrupted sleep disrupts testosterone production, weakens circulation, and increases stress. If you're waking up tired or not getting deep rest, your body, including your sexual health, will show it. So ask yourself honestly, are you giving your body the recovery time it needs each night? Part 3 is about encouragement and long-term outlook. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of older men face these exact challenges, and the key difference comes down to who takes action and who stays silent. The men who speak up, get checked, and make small changes often discover improvements not only in their sexual health, but in overall energy and confidence. I also encourage you to talk with your partner. Open, honest conversations reduce shame and create support. Many men fear that discussing sexual health will make them appear weak, but the opposite is true. Addressing it shows strength and care. When your partner understands what you're going through, intimacy often improves even before the physical issues are fully resolved. Sometimes I remind men that the penis is like the body's check engine light. It's not just about sex, it's about health. If it's not working the way it used to, there's almost always an underlying reason worth addressing, and catching that reason early could add years of vitality and strength to your life. So, take a moment today. Do a mental check-in. How's your energy, your sleep, your erections, your mood? If something feels off, don't ignore it. Write it down and bring it to your doctor. Action today is always better than regret tomorrow. And here's your call to action. If you learned something new or felt reassured, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. If you've ever experienced one of these warning signs, let others know they're not alone. And remember, your health journey is not about perfection. It's about paying attention, making small steps, and choosing to respect and protect your body every single day. I believe in you, and I want you to believe in yourself. Your penis health is a mirror of your overall health, and by listening to the signals it gives, you can take control of your future. Stay strong, stay aware, and never be afraid to ask for help.